day in Siquijor, and we're trying to have a more of a productive day today instead of sleeping in for half the day because we're absolutely knackered. But we are still knackered.
Yeah, very tired.
But we've got our moped again, so we're going to go out and try and find the waterfalls. The first waterfall is about 40 minutes away, so...
Yeah, and we're going around on our little bike again, which only costs 400 for 2 days.
Yeah, it's really good. When we first got here at the port, they were trying to sell us one for 350 pesos for a day, and he said he'd knock it down to 300 pesos for the day if we did it for 2 days. But we've still managed to get it cheaper here, so we didn't go with that straight away because we never jump into something the first time we hear it, because you know there's so many different people all give you so many different offers and stuff, so we didn't go with them and we managed to get it a lot cheaper with our hotel. So that's where we've come to. That is where you park. I'll update you on the cost of it in a minute. Have a guy.
Yeah.
Probably about a 10-minute walk down.
My rock slide here.
Ah.
Yeah. And yeah, the slide and the swings there. You pay 50 pesos entrance fee, 10 pesos for parking if you've got a moped. So we total paid 110, which isn't a lot at all, really.
So we put 130 pesos worth of fuel in our moped.
A full tank is about 150.
Yeah, you watch that first. So we just taken a load of drone shots. That's a slide, there's a rope swing, and there's a cave you can go inside. It's very fun. Also, if you can see, we have the place to ourselves as well. I don't know if it's like this every day. There was a couple coming up as we were coming down, but it's so quiet here and it's, yeah, really fun. Joe's got an audience now. All these young lads have come down. That was a bit more graceful than his back flop that he just did a minute ago.
Yep.
More people have turned up now. A lot of them are actually locals though. Watching us make a disgrace of ourselves and Joe back flopping. This is the issues we've been having with the bike. Go on, get it going. Okay. There's one. It's a bit funny. You too. Don't know who they are, but they're happy to meet us. So we just wanted to pull over and look at all these Christmas trees because they're all made out of something different.
Yeah, they're all made out of something else recycled.
Challenge to create a tree, or if like it's a competition, I don't know, but like they're all made out of bottle caps and stuff.
Everything's all just little recycled, well, mainly bottles. It's all really cool.
They're pretty packed, and like them ones look like fish.
All a little fish and then a boat on the top. I mean, I saw the nacho cheese and I had to.
Korean egg drop.
Looks nice.
That meal cost 660 pesos, and we have decided to come back to our room for an hour, and we did one of the waterfalls today. There's loads of different waterfalls here. There's literally like 6, 7, 8. That's just from what we've seen ourselves. We just decided to do one of them, but there is loads to choose from. We didn't even do the most popular one, did we?
No.
But in a way, it was kind of better
because it was empty, and
yeah, we still had the rope swings and the slides and stuff, so it was just as fun.
we did tip the guides. Don't think you have to. And to be honest, personally, we would have preferred it if they weren't there.
Yeah,
but
we felt
you know,
rushed, didn't we? But you can't visit them without the guides, so, and I think that's the same for this national park tomorrow.
I mean, I suppose it is. It's probably a bit safer anyway. So
Yeah. But yeah, so we're going to chill for an hour before we head back out to the beach and go and watch the sunset.
by chill, we mean we're going to work for an hour.
Yes.
And then
Oh, typical. Now what was that, about 30 seconds again?
yeah.
Oh, oh. We are now heading back to the beach that we were at yesterday, but it is lighter, so we will catch the sunset tonight. So it's a different beach. This is the beach we were meant to come to last night, but we ended up somewhere else. I don't know where we ended up now. This is where we were meant to come yesterday.
Go. So we're here, we're at the beach, although it's actually a different beach. The other one's just a bit further around there, but this one is just as nice, if not nicer. Always a tourist somewhere, isn't there? Climbing something.
This is why my travel insurance is so expensive. Stuff like that. Oh my god!
So it is a bit of a money-making scheme.
Yeah, I mean, to be fair, no one's asked us for money. So.
No.
But like we're on the swings, and this guy was like, "We want to go on there now," because someone had paid for him to take photos on there. And I was like, "But I'm taking a video."
But then it also says like only Paliton guides
can take pictures here.
Yeah.
So only if you're a guide you can take photos at this beach. I mean, I've been taking photos and no one said anything, but just a little bit annoying because you can't. We managed to go on one of the other swings and take some other photos, and no one's asked us for money, so I think the sign's not like one that's taken seriously. And Joe's also about to set the drone off as well. I think it's if you do want to use the swings, then you've got to like make way for the people that have paid for their pictures to be taken on there, which is fine. But it is a very, very beautiful beach. Although there was a little kitten a minute ago and I don't even want to show it on camera because it's making me really sad. Hello little kitten. Hello sweetheart, are you okay? Are you a friendly one? Oh yeah. Oh, have you got a collar? Oh no, it's a scab. Oh sweetheart. That's the last of the sun going down now.
You probably can't see on that actually.
You can see the orange.
I mean you.
Oh. Well, if you can't see me, then it doesn't matter. You can hear me.
Yeah.
That's all that matters. I'll stand this way so at least you can see the sunset behind. It is a nice beach. You don't have to pay to come here.
It's a lovely beach, yeah.
It's quite busy, but that's fine. Not necessarily busy with tourists though, busy with locals, so you know that's fine. Lots of bars.
The sunset's lovely even if it's cloudy.
Yeah, and there's swings and like nice places to take photos. Yeah, it's definitely worth coming here and watching the sunset. You can buy drinks. I haven't seen food, but I'm assuming you can buy some sort of food here.
There is some fish cooking.
There is, yeah. There's a lot of stray dogs and stray cats.
So our friends recommended us this place. Well, they said it was a bit expensive, but it seems about the same price as most of the other places we've eaten around here.
Well, it's double. It is double for the pasta and stuff. It's $4.90 for the ravioli. But anyway, it doesn't matter because we're going home soon anyway. So
treat yourself.
Treat yourself, and it's all homemade. You can see them doing it in there, making the pasta and stuff. You can literally see them doing it, and they're playing Christmas songs.
Yeah, so. Nice Christmassy vibe. And
it's a shame
we can even top it off with some nice homemade ice cream.
It's a shame my hair is waterfall hair, but that's just how it's got to be.
I love some homemade pesto, mate.
It looks amazing.
We both just decided to go with pasta.
We love pasta.
We thought it'd be a bit cheeky to get another pizza anyway, this quickly after having the other ones. So what's the calamansi one again?
Small lemon tea.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's
Thank you.
very sour, but it's still
Thank you.
one of the best sellers.
This is calamansi, and it's like a sweet lemon dessert flavour. Oh, I've not even tried it yet, and Lauren's going in for a dip. Bitter lemon.
Wow, that is flavourful.
And Lauren's had coconut, which is actually vegan, that one.
Yeah, I like the coconut ice creams out here.
You could have just used coconut milk, yeah. It's gotten loud now. Recommend? Well, it's got Lauren's tick of approval for ice cream, so.
That one's got a kick to it.
I love a good kick.
Don't mind Joe. Oh! That's where we were. Or are, should I say. Highly recommend. That whole meal and 2 beers and 2 ice creams came to £17 for both of us, which is crazy because that was amazing pasta, the ice cream was amazing again, and beers as well for literally less than a tenner each, so
Highly recommend.
highly recommend. You cannot grumble. Thank you for the recommendation from our friends from Borneo.